Hello, dear students. How are you? Hope you are very fine. I have made two videos previously, rather four videos previously, and hope all these videos will help you to decide what career you want to choose. Dear students, today I will tell you about BA LLB career. After 12th, you can join one of the best careers, that is BA LLB. This career is a integrated program of 5 years, and you have to pass to class 12th examination and you can get admission, but there are certain conditions. Condition is that you have to qualify entrance test. Yes, my dear friends, entrance test is very compulsory for joining this course, but after you get admission, you have plenty very nice scope in your life. You can go very further. You can become very influential person. Today all eminent lawyers are big persons. You might have heard about Kapil Sibal. He was a lawyer of Supreme Court. I will tell you how to join Supreme Court after you do your LLB. So first I will tell you that BA LLB is an integrated program of 5 years, and you can join this course after qualifying class 12th examination. Dear friends, this LLB course is normally or mandatorily approved by Bar Council of India. So first you have to ensure that the course is approved by Bar Council of India. If it is approved, without any hesitation, you may join the course. But you have to be very choosy, you have to be very particular about the institute. Yes, institute counts a lot. For example, college universities like National Law University is very important university across the world. But this university you can join only after clearing CLAT, Combined Law Admission Test. Yes, my dear friends. Then you can join if you are in Maharashtra, you can join it after qualifying MSCET. Yes, Maharashtra Combined Admission Test. So the first requirement for joining a BA LLB 5 years integrated program is that you have to what is known as you qualify class 12th examination with 45% of marks. Yes, and if you belong to reserve category, then 40% marks will do. And plus you must have completed 17 years of age. Only then you are eligible for admission to BA LLB program. Then I will tell you what kind of tests are conducted by which universities in India. So Osmania University Hyderabad, which is one of the best universities in India, conducts Law CET, which you can appear just after qualifying class 12th examination. Then Andhra Pradesh Law CET. This exam is conducted by Sri Krishna Devaraya University for admission to LLB course. Then Maharashtra CET is conducted by, it is known as the State Common Interest Test, MSTCET. This exam conducted on behalf of Directorate of Technical Education for admission to various courses across the state. Then CLAT, Common Law Admission Test, is a national entrance examination. This is a very prestigious examination, and I understand that many good candidates, many promising students appear in this examination and qualify. If you are sure that you have to make a career in law, then certainly I advise you to join this admission test. After clearing this CLAT examination, you can get admission in National Law University. Then there is again Law School Admission Test, which is now known as LSAT, which you can clear after again qualifying class 12th examination. Here also you can get integrated program. Then BLLB is a 5 years program, as I told you earlier. They are semester based. In every year there are 2 semesters. Minimum 45% marks in class 12, and if you belong to reserve category candidate, minimum requirement is 40%. Then you have to spend. First, you have to select which institution you want to join. The maximum course fee for this program is 1.5 to 7 lakhs. And after qualifying, you get job immediately. Yes, my dear friends, job uh, job oriented program you may call this. So average salary you are given is 3 to 6 lakh per annum. And I will tell you the name of some of the law firms which give the job, like Shardul Aman Chand, Mangal Das and Company. This will give you job. Then we have Tri Legal India. Yes, this also provides you job. Khaitan and Company. This gives you job. DSK Legal. Again, you can join a job here. Anand and Anand. Yes, you can make a career here. Desai and Devani. You can. This is a very good firm, very prestigious firm. You can join this firm as a legal advisor or lawyer. Luthra and Luthra. Then Lakshmi Kumaran and Sridharan. Platinum Partners. These are some of the very famous law firms in India where you can be accommodated. Then you can do plenty of jobs, like after qualifying this, like advanced advocate. You can start to practice. You can register yourself after qualifying this course with Bar Council of India at the state level. You can join High Court. There you can practice under some lawyer. You can also join Supreme Court as a lawyer. But in Supreme Court, a different examination is there for becoming lawyers. I will tell you about that later. First, I will tell you what are the colleges which are very famous in India and what is the fees structure. Yes, National Law School of India, University. National Law University, New Delhi. The fee structure is 4,25,000. Nalsa University of Law, National Law University, Jodhpur, National Law University, Nagpur. Then the West Bengal National University of Judicial Sciences, 3,05,000 is the fee structure. Gujarat National University, 6 lakhs. Symbiosis Law School, 17,000, 25,000. Jamia Millia Islamia, 52,000. Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, 5,50,000. Dr. Ghulam Manor Lohia National Law University, the fee structure is 3 lakh. Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, 15 lakh 45,000 is the course fee. Aligarh Muslim University, 60,000. Punjab University, 3 lakh 13,000. Banaras University, 3 lakh. Christ University, 9 lakh 28,000. There are plenty of other organizations where you can get admission and you can get a good placement also. Then for what are the courses I will tell you which you can join after LLB, DLLB. You can become a lecturer and your salary will be around 4.5 lakh per annum. You can become law officer with a corporate firm and your salary will be 4.5 to 8 lakhs. Legal advocate you can become. You can become junior lawyer, meaning thereby that you can join some advocate, senior counsel, senior advocate, and you can become you can practice with him. And I must tell you that if you want to join Supreme Court of India, you have to give a test for becoming advocate of records. Yes, advocate record only can entertain cases in Supreme Court. A High Court lawyer cannot do. He has to approach some advocate on record. So for becoming advocate on record, you have to qualify a written test by Supreme Court of India, conducted by the Supreme Court of India. If you qualify, you can become law advocate on record and you can directly entertain your clients there. So further coming to the main point, career options, that you can join private practice, you can become a legal counsel, you can paralegal, you can become a government lawyer, you can become magistrate. Yes, several states in India conduct what is known as examination for magisterial posts. The exam is known as Judicial Services Examination. So you can join, you can compete for becoming a first class, second class judicial magistrate in the state. So state judicial service examination conducted by the respective states in India, and you can become magistrates and you can join the junior courts there, district courts there. You can become a district and session judge. which has got huge powers. You can join after 10 years of practice. You can join high courts. Yes, if you can practice privately in a lower court, you can directly be selected as a lawyer of high court after 10 years of practice. Similarly, you can go to join Supreme Court of India. Plenty of opportunity there. Particularly, you provide aid to the people. The people who are ignorant about law. You can come for their help. There are plenty of villagers. गांव में बहुत से लोग हैं जिनको कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है, तो आप उनकी मदद कर सकते हैं. आप इंडिया को एक अच्छा कंट्री बना सकते हैं, एक आइडियल कंट्री बना सकते हैं. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगा कि आप यू शुड एक्सपर्ट पीपल. बहुत से लोग हैं जो अपना घर द्वार बेच देते हैं और केस लड़ते हैं कोर्ट में, तो आपको उनको अच्छा एक लॉयर बनना है, एक ईमानदार लॉयर बनना है और लोगों के लिए प्रैक्टिस करनी है. जो सच्चाई है, द ट्रूथ शुड कम आउट, ट्रूथ शुड प्रिवेल. देर हुआ तो चलेगा, लेकिन दुरुस्त होने चाहिए. जस्टिस डिलेड जस्टिस डिनाइड ऐसा बोलते हैं लोग, लेकिन साथ में जस्टिस हरीड जस्टिस बरीड. और ये सब बात करते हुए मैं समझता हूँ कि आपको ये काफी अच्छा लगा होगा. हमारा एडवाइस आपको पसंद आया होगा. आप जरूर हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. मैं आपको हमेशा एक नया इन्फॉर्मेशन देता जाऊंगा. कौन से कोर्सेस आपको ज्वाइन करने चाहिए 12वीं के बाद, इस पर मैं हमेशा आपसे बात करता रहूंगा. और आप मुझे लिख भी सकते हैं अंजन सहाय ANJANSAHAY 007@gmail.com. आप मुझे लिखिए, चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि जो भी हमारा नया वीडियो बनेगा आपके पास पहुंच जाएगा. और आपके लिए मैं बहुत सा आगे करियर गाइडेंस के लिए बहुत सी बातें बताने जा रहा हूँ कि कौन सा एग्जाम कैसे क्वालिफाई करना है. मैं आपको IAS, IPS, स्टेट सर्विसेज उसके बारे में बताऊंगा. लेकिन पहले 12वीं के बाद क्या क्या कोर्स ऑप्शंस हैं मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ. और इसके बाद मैं आपके सामने सारी बातें रखूंगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग विथ मी. थैंक यू.